The Industrial Revolution has laid the groundwork for a transition that will shake society and economy to its foundations. Now it's up to the visionary pioneers whose hearts beat with the steady pace of the locomotive to realize the potential. With your entrepreneurial spirit, you'll lay the tracks to turn your company into the greatest railway empire of the 19th century. Tap into new cities with grand train stations. Connect them with freight and express lines. And watch a continent evolve into one interconnected community. Change the face of your country and create your own railway empire. Railway Empire 2, coming May 25th.